everyone and welcome back to Mom's Quick Solutions. Hope you all are doing well. And as you can see, I'm already inside the baby toy room. So today video is about cleaning the toys. Plus I'm gonna show you the DIY cleaner, toy cleaner. There are so many washable toys like soft toys, and some of them are like Legos and all. We just can wash it, but there are so many toys are like that we cannot wash, like electronic and all. So for that I have one DIY spray which we can spray over our baby's toy. We usually can use the sprays and all that are available in the market, but I will definitely suggest you to do a home remedy one, because our babies have a habit to put toys inside their mouth.
Products in market are fully chemical ones, so I recommend to use home remedy ones. So when babies are using their toys, they are safe, chemical free and germs free.
And we all wash our toys. I'm just gonna show you my way of doing it plus DIY, so that can be helpful for all of the moms out there. So let's begin. So I have already cleaned the toy room and have separated some electronic toys, washable toys out there, and all soft toys already in her washing machine. Soft toys, no problem. So here are the washable toys. So as you can see, these are washable toys. Here I have some Legos, her blocks, and all washable. These are also washable, but here are quite electronics, and this one we're gonna use our DIY spray. So this was, I'm not gonna wash all of this in the given video. I'm just gonna do this one for the show, and off camera that one. Let's see. So let's go. So actually I'm using this bottle washer which we use to wash our baby bottle, and we can actually wash vegetables and all. So I'm using that liquid here to wash my baby toys also. So yes.
Here my water is ready, so adding that liquid soap and giving a mix with water. At this point I'm adding all of my toys and just giving nice rub. Adding more water and liquid washer and giving all toys a nice wash. So washable toys, we can just wash it with water, and the second part I'm doing DIY. So stay connected, separating water and toys away. So here my washable toys are done. Time for DIY toy cleaner. Here I'm taking half lemon, empty container and some water. What I did, I directly put lemon into a container, so you can put inside some cup or bowl first and store into the container and add some water, mix it well, it's ready. Or you can add baking soda into it. Here I'm just adding water only. Cleaning up my baby's car, which was really dirty and needed a nice clean up. So spreading this DIY is really nice. You can see changes after and before. So I'm really gonna show you all the magic of my DIY spray. As you can see, baby have habit of coloring everywhere. So she have colored her swing. So I'm rubbing it after spraying my DIY spray, and you can see how clean it turns into. So yeah, I'm cleaning my baby's piano too, which have color again over it. So yeah, just wiping that away. Spraying DIY spray all over toys, electronic toys like guitars, piano, excavator and all, trucks and all, wiping it all over and making it germs free. So it's all done, cleaning is done.
Cleaning is done, and so this is how I clean my baby's toys, which are electronics and big toys. You can just use DIY spray. This is so helpful, as you have already seen. And if you like the video, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to Mom's Quick Solutions. Thank you.